I'll be quoting this.
Wasn't he?
Straight up. Donald Trump, what do we reckon, Erica? Not bad, Sally. I think he's a fan. Hey?
How may I help you?
So 43 Cruises Road, and Payne to Southbound 62.
Son of a bitch must pay.
In year 11, maybe good, but I imagine you weren't doing those exams thinking this is what's going to get me into uni. Well, the good news is it's not the only way they're letting people in. It's just if you want to do it that way, if you have done pretty well in year 11 and you're comfortable and you want some certainty about next year, you can apply between now and the end of May, and they'll use your year 11 results. This is just ANU, only that university, and then they'll make the offers in circumstances. So I think ANU already uses a lot of other information about students before they admit them, like extracurricular activities, other stuff, references. So it's not too unusual for them, but well, I mean, it is unusual, but it's kind of, you know, what they've been doing for a few.
No, that's all right. No dramas. All right, yeah. Look, I was just letting you know anyway.
That's fine. Like I said, it'll be very
there, so we're not going to have to argue over, like, you know, bullshit numbers for, you know,
no.
Two grand for you know, $2,000 for a bit of footpath or a bit of curb or whatever, you know. So.
Well, look, at the end of the day, mate, they've jumped the hurdle now. So
it was like, oh, I don't know anything about that. That was probably Mick talking.
Fucking stupid bastard.
Like a nice coffee machine on the front.
No rolling shop. Look at it.
Oh.
Hold on, fuckwit. Fucking serious fuckwit. You fucking idiot. Fuckwit. fuckwits.
Fucking wanker.
Doesn't look a bad look when you fucking...
What's this fuckwit doing? Oh my god.
COVID-19. Federal Health Minister Greg Hunt says it's a
Stupidity! Stupidity! There goes your no-claim bonus, sweetheart!
Fucking A.
Adelaide, this is 104.7 Triple M.
Bravo, buddy.
See, that's why all the governments, all the friends, they buy up all the property, right? Fuck's sake.
Dumbass.
Why is everyone so fucking stupid?
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
¿Salió la foto?
Sí.
You need to look. ¿Y qué mírate?
3 seconds. Exactly 3 fucking seconds. To wipe that stupid looking grin off your face, or I will gouge out your eyeballs and skull fuck you!
What the fuck?
Go on me again! Far out, far out! What the frick are you doing?
What's the giveaway there, bro? You fucking shit cunt. What are you fucking beeping me for? You can fucking see the fucking orange light, no? Moves, brother. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh yeah. Casual, mate. How is it so hard to fucking wait for the divider like a normal human being? You fucking cunts. Fucking twit, fuck off. Mr. Chicken, fucking move, cunt. It's literally... What the fuck, guys? What the fuck? Dude, that's alpha as fuck.